Welcome to the Basics of Business Networking, where we unravel the keys to forming valuable professional relationships. In today's fast-paced environment, who you know is often as significant as what you know. Networking is not just about trading information, but building long-term relationships and a good reputation over time. Firstly, let's debunk the misconception that networking is purely for extroverts. Regardless of your personality type, with the right strategies, you can cultivate an influential network that supports your career growth and business expansion. One of these strategies is to be prepared. Before attending any networking event, know your goals. Understand what you aim to achieve, be it finding potential clients, seeking a mentor, or simply building your brand awareness. Another strategy is to focus on quality, not quantity. Instead of racing to collect as many business cards as possible, concentrate on fostering genuine relationships. When you invest in fewer people, those relationships tend to be stronger and more beneficial. Active listening is a critical networking skill. Show genuine interest in what others say, ask insightful questions, remember details, and find ways to offer value based on what you've learned. This fosters mutual respect and understanding. Never underestimate the power of follow-ups. Sending a quick email or LinkedIn message can make a lasting impression and solidify the connection. Remember to keep the conversation alive by regularly sharing relevant information or opportunities. In essence, the key to effective networking lies in being authentic, showing genuine interest in others, and seeking mutual benefit. In time, these practices will help you build an incredible network of professionals. Thank you for watching Basics of Business Networking. We hope these tips will empower you to cultivate meaningful relationships that drive your success in the business world.